Prepare to revolutionize your cleanup routine with Lux Dumpster Rentals, the unrivaled choice for dumpster rental in West Point, Mississippi. We redefine waste management with our top-tier services and a commitment to luxury. Whether it's a home renovation or a commercial project, Lux Dumpster Rentals ensures your cleanup is a class apart. Experience the difference with us. For all your dumpster rental needs, dial the number of opulence, 662-364-0228, and let Lux Dumpster Rentals take your cleanup to the next level. Visit our website at www.luxdumpsters.com to explore our exquisite dumpster options and join the elite. With competitive prices and service that's as chic as it is efficient, Lux Dumpster Rentals is your ultimate choice for dumpster rental in West Point, Mississippi. Don't settle for ordinary. Indulge in luxury and let Lux Dumpster Rentals turn your cleanup into a lavish affair. At Lux Dumpster Rentals, we understand the importance of your time. That's why we offer a range of dumpster sizes to suit your needs, delivered and picked up at your convenience. Our hassle-free service lets you focus on your project while we care for the waste. Let Lux Dumpster Rentals simplify your cleanup process. Experience the epitome of refinement with Lux Dumpster Rentals. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond disposal. We provide unparalleled customer service and attention to detail, ensuring that your cleanup experience is nothing short of extraordinary. From luxurious dumpster options to impeccable service, Lux Dumpster Rentals is the crown jewel of dumpster rental in West Point, Mississippi. So why wait? Contact us today to indulge in the luxury of waste management done right.